friends, welcome to another day in the life. I'm really excited because today has been very productive so far. Hi, little lady.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Lily.
Hi.
Say good morning to our friends.
Good morning, friends.
So it is now 12:30. I know I'm picking up the camera a little late in the day, but with 5 kids and being home during this quarantine, I have to homeschool in the morning, and it's really distracting for me to have this camera up and filming them. It's just, my mind can't handle it. All 5 of my kids need that one-on-one undivided attention so they can stay productive, so we can be done at 12 o'clock. So I really needed to just get that done. If you guys are interested in how I conduct my whole homeschool routine, I'll go ahead and put the link to our homeschool routine in quarantine in the description. But today's video is a collaboration, so stay tuned in a little bit to find out who it's in collaboration with. I'm really excited to be collaborating with her. I have been loving her channel. It is so beautiful and I love all her content. Homeschool done, coffee done. I've gotten ready for the day. I'm actually going to be filming 2 other videos today, and so you're going to see what it's like to be a YouTube mom and raising 5 kids all at one time. The girls are actually, my 2 older girls are making flip grids right now. It's an assignment for school that they're doing.
Hi. This is not good.
They're doing that right now. My son and my husband are actually getting ready to do his haircut. Well, my son's haircut right now. I'm gonna film it. So that is the first video I'm filming. The second video is actually this one, this day in the life video. And then I'm also gonna be doing my daughter, Avea, not Elia, Avea's hair. We're gonna be doing a deep treatment, a detangling, and twisting it and putting in a protective style for the week. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure you subscribe. During this quarantine, we're trying to be really healthy, so I'm going to be sharing some healthy snack options that I feed my kids that they absolutely love. This video is actually a collaboration with another super sweet YouTube mama named Caitlin Nyer. She has an adorable 3-year-old daughter named Scarlett. They're living in Arizona. She has such an adorable little apartment, and I absolutely love her Trader Joe's hauls. She has definitely influenced me to buy certain things that I fell in love with, so I just love it. Those are my favorite videos. She does tons of day in the lives, and she has a really interesting story because she's actually divorced but dating her husband. You just have to check it out. It's complicated, interesting, entertaining, but I totally get it. So definitely check her out. I'll put all of her links down in the description box. So I'm gonna make a snack for the kids today. It's kind of like a healthy homemade trail mix. We are a very active family. So in addition to keeping the kids healthy and active through physical activity and drinking lots of water and taking our vitamins, I love to feed my kids healthy food. We have another one that wants to say hi. This is Natalia. Say hi. Hi. So, okay, yeah, you want a snack. So, we're gonna make some healthy snacks. All right, girls, have a seat, and I'm gonna get you a baggie.
Thanks. Yummy.
Yummy. So we're gonna do some little homemade trail mix. You guys, you're welcome to have some now, but I suggest you save some so that we can take it on our walk for later. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
It'll be fun.
It'll be fun. Okay. So let's put all this. Let's put all this stuff here.
Yummy, yum, yum.
Ooh, that looks so yummy. Okay. Hold on, let me get you a spoon.
Okay. So we can put
Yum,
it in
yum.
the bag. I love bags.
You love bags? Okay, so we're gonna do some, let's see. I think this would be good for the dried fruit, but let me get you a different scooper for the popcorn. I don't know, let's try this maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna do it yourself?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, open your baggie.
I'm
Here
doing
you go.
doing some cranberry.
Here, maybe Mama hold the baggie for you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's do maybe like 3 scoops of popcorn
Okay.
and 1 scoop of the other ones, okay? so that we can share with brothers and sisters.
I'm doing
Okay. Oh, this is a messy one. It's okay. Okay, we got 2 of popcorn. You want to get something else? Here, I'll give you this. 2. Hey, Lily, you want to do the popcorn?
Yeah.
Okay, let's switch.
I'm gonna put berry.
There you go. Do you think you can do it on your own, or do you need help? Well, put your hand here so it doesn't.
So.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yummy.
Okay, do another one. One more.
What?
Oh, yummy.
Oh.
Okay, do you want to do maybe pick like 3 or 4 of the apricots?
Oh, yeah.
And then a scoop of popcorn.
Happy.
Oh, yummy. Okay, you want to do some peanuts? Let's use the spoon for the peanuts.
Yep.
I actually get asked a lot how I'm able to have my kids eat healthy foods, snacks, lunch, dinner. They eat pretty healthy and they're not picky. And I think it was just initially exposing them to the foods early on. Every child is different, but that's how I did it, exposing it to them and always giving them healthy options. As you can see, I could have easily made bags for them, but instead I put it in bowls and let them scoop it themselves. It's teaching them to make healthy choices and make their own. So in the future, they will more likely pick those healthy options over junky options because they were able to choose them when they were younger. So that's my trick on how to help your kids eat some healthy foods. I have some other healthy snacks I fed the kids throughout the week. We have some really yummy homemade yogurt parfaits with various fruits and things like that, and granolas. Sometimes I drizzle a little organic honey on top of it to make it special. We really love the Trader Joe's little yogurts that you get there. It's like peaches and cream and mangoes and cream, something like that. They are so yummy. We eat lots of vegetables and my kids are big dippers, so we love hummus and ranch, or like a light ranch or whatever, and honey mustard and different things. I know ranch isn't that healthy, but not everything has to be super healthy. As long as you give the options, you know, and most of the meal is quite healthy, then you should be good. But let me know if you guys are struggling with some healthy options, and maybe I'll do a video with some more healthy options for kids. Okay, now that the kids have gotten some healthy food to snack on, I'm gonna get some art projects set up for them, get them entertained so that I can film my husband buzzing my son's hair. A company named Arteza or Arteza, I think it's Arteza, I hope I'm saying it right. Arteza Kids sent us a little care package of fun activities and coloring and paint stuff for the kids to do. So thank you to Arteza for sending my kids these fun things to do. This is definitely going to keep them busy while I film. 32 tempera Arteza Kids premium paint set. There's 32 unique colors. They're washable and non-toxic. Look at these colors. Some of them are even like glittery. So cute. And then what is this? Oh, finger paints. Oh my goodness, they are gonna love this. And they also sent us a pad of paper, which is gonna be really good for their finger paintings. Look at all these pretty colors. I love the packaging. You guys wanna do some finger painting?
Who sent it to us?
A art company actually sent it to us. So why don't you go ahead and get your chairs and we'll get it set up.
Okay.
Oh, look at the blue. You guys can trade colors, that's fine. Okay, got a pretty reddish color.
Yep.
And some gold.
Is there more paper so we can do more?
I'll get you a different one. What color is that, Tolly?
Purple.
Purple. Oh, I like your blue.
Which colors with me?
Look how pretty all these colors are. Okay, so now that the girls are occupied, I'm going to go ahead and head into the bathroom. Ed is just getting set up with all his supplies to start cutting Ace's hair. I'm really excited for this video to go live because it's the first time ever that my husband has actually cut my son's hair on video. You guys love watching me do my daughter's hair, so I'm excited to see what you guys think of this video. But I'm going to quickly just get this laundry switched out. I'm a little bit behind, so I'm trying to play catch up as much as possible. I really want all my laundry done by the time we go to bed tonight. I'm going to tidy up in the kitchen a little bit because I like to reset after every single meal. So I want the kitchen nice and clean before I move on to getting some editing done. The girls are being nice and calm. It's very rare, so I'm going to take advantage of this opportunity and go upstairs and get a little editing done, at least for like 45 minutes or an hour before they pull my leg and they're ready to go outside and get some energy out. But they love going outside and just playing and doing some physical activity, which is really good because it helps them get nice and tired and ready for dinner and then to start the bedtime routine. I'll finishing up my editing later on after the kids are already in bed, but I'm really glad that they were being calm so I can kind of get a head start, a little jump start earlier in the day. Mama needs some coffee, so I'm going to get some coffee in me real quick and then head upstairs and get some editing done. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. Alright, I was able to get so much editing done. I am just amazed how much I was able to get done today, and I really think it's because I dedicated half of the day strictly to the kids without any distractions of work or editing or filming or household duties. I didn't even fold a piece of clothing until like 1:30. Doing all that gets them completely squared away, and it like literally fills their cup so they can just relax and sit back and watch a movie and entertain themselves while I'm able to give 100% to my work and editing and stuff that I need to do around the house. It has really helped. So I'm gonna spend about 15 or 20 more minutes and finish up this video that I'm gonna be getting out for you guys in the next couple days. Coffee. Thank you guys so much for watching my day in the life. Do not forget to check out Caitlin Nayer's channel. Her link is below in the description box. Make sure that you let her know that I sent you in the comments. And as always, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you being here. Love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.